Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Real quickly, hopefully, somebody's having trouble creating a shape like this. They watched my video on scatter effect. I'm going to call this having trouble making a shape or something. But best thing to do is take an ellipse, hit P, put it in the circle of the page, Control D, make a duplicate, and then move that one to there. Now, here's what pretty neat, or what you need to do. This circle is let's make our nudge factor 10. And let's nudge this circle out of the way. And then I just took two crossbars and I hit P, put it center page, Control D, make a duplicate, rotate the duplicate 90 degrees. Probably the easiest thing to do is to take the other ellipse out of the way and weld this, and by welding it, it makes it all one piece. Take the small one. I can actually hit P since I work in the center of the page. Now, this is where I think they're having trouble. They're having to virtually delete all the lines. If you weld it, you get that. We don't really know which one's on top, but if you go here in back minus front, it gives you that. And then you could bring P, bring that shape back in, and then you could smart fill it and get that shape. So it's always easier to have that second circle out of the way, and see if we do front minus back, or vice versa, like that is front minus back, it doesn't work because it's taking away the front minus the back. So in this case, the cross is where it needs to be, and we're going to take away the back, and the front is staying. And then hit P, and then I always take that, and I just happen to be using red. And just to let you know, under effects in creative and scatter, I made a couple of videos on this today. It does this right here. Now, for us laser engravers, it probably won't do any good, but that's a pretty cool effect. Especially, let me back up here now because I showed this in the other video. Let's make a copy of our first one, and actually make the copy, or make this one yellow, just so it'll stand out. And now let's scatter effect this. Effects, creative, scatter, and I go to the full amount, I mean actually 100, but it's full amount. Then put that back and look at that effect. Pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped that person, and thank you for watching.